Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to remove Windows open in Windows terminal from content menu in Windows 11. So how to remove it, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type our registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening a registry editor, select a HKey local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. After that, select a Microsoft and expand it. After that, find out a Windows. Select a Windows and expand it. After doing this, select a current version and expand it. After doing this, scroll down and find out a. Now here is the shell extension and expand it. Select it. Right. Select a shell extension. Right click. Click on a new key and set a name is blocked. After that, select it. Right click new and string value. Set a name is bracket 9F 156763 7844 4DC4 B2B1 901 F640 F5155 and bracket close. Open it and the value data is type Windows terminal. Click OK. Close the registry editor. And after doing this restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, the Windows open the Windows terminal from context menu is removed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.